Yeah, this is how you have lots of good protein in the morning with meat. Well, I don't know if there's protein in this. But screw it, there's lots of meat. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Hey. Wood. The ladies want it. Yeah, I got it, yeah. We're coming to a stop. That wasn't what I was going to record. But anyway. We're slowing down, we stopped. I love traffic lights so much. Don't you? Finally, we got the green light. Means go now, do it. Guess what? Another red light. Oh, this time it went green because it saw me, and it was like, yeah, I better move. But this car in front of me is like, slow. Go off, for God's sake. The light will be red again before Christmas. Jesus. To the ordinary German, ja genau means yes, exactly. But to me, it means ja genau. It's more than yes, more than exactly. It means ja, ge, and now. Like, do it now. You say it now, ja genau. Ja, 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 ja genau, ja genau, ja, 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 ja genau. It's time. Time for Cornetto. When you hear the women scream, I scream. The fuck? Look out, there's a truck. Yeah, push it to the limit. Yeah. Push it to the limit, yeah. Yeah, welcome to my holiday vacation place. That's the worst way of describing it. Jesus. Anyway, this is the living room full of sweets. And this is the TV, PlayStation. And yeah. And now we make our way into the living room. Yeah, look at more things. Here's more sweets. You have to lie on the sweets, of course. Otherwise, it's not sweet dreams. Yeah, just regular stuff. Like everyone has in their houses. Sweets on top of the bed, yeah. This is just the hallway here, yeah. Perfectly normal. Yeah, nothing out of place at all. See, look at you, you sexy beast. How's it going? And yeah, look at this. Is just the drawers here, you know. Yeah, it's the first one. Yeah, of course, you have this one. And then, oh, look, there's more in here. It's perfectly ordinary, you know, drawers just full of, you know, the normal things that you have, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we make our way into the bathroom now, yeah. You know, perfectly normal bath, you know, you fill up with water. This is my beautiful flower here, yeah. Show off all the ladies, of course, yes. Well, and we turn on the light, can't see anything, you know, it's just totally normal shower, you know, it turns off and on again. You see, sexy beast again, yeah, totally normal. We just, you know, turn on the water here for a second. Yeah, these romantic candles. Yeah, the women like this stuff, you know, they smell it and they go, oh God, you're so good looking. Yeah, and then this is this, of course, when you go to the toilet. Perfect. Yeah, we finally make our way to the kitchen. Yeah, where I usually do most of my stuff on the PC. Then of course we have sweets, you know, because we can't run out of sweets. If we do, we're gonna die. Look at this, perfectly good kitchen. Yeah, all the working hobs and everything. You press the buttons, and this is complicated, but you know, I know how to do it. Of course, I do it now. Yeah, this is where we make me coffee. It's all fucked up now, but it'll be grand. Don't worry. Yeah. Just, everything's perfectly in order, Super kitchen, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the house. Yeah, with all the normal rooms, with all the normal items in all the normal places. Yeah, see, that's how I do it in Germany. You do it right. Yeah.